वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज हम लोग आए हैं ग्रैंड मॉल के फन स्टेशन, तो चले आपके साथ एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। सी वी आर गोइंग ओवर हियर। Aisha is going to some other place, but I'll go from here and explore more and go there. Let's go. Well, it is not a slide. We have to go step by step. See, we have arrived here, and this one is the best place to go. See,
Slow.
it might be slow, but it looks amazing. Even our ego is coming. Let's. Oh, this looks amazing.
That's really scary, but
It is scary, but we have like a trampoline over there for our safety. Let's go. Even from here, and we are going on this trampoline. So let's go. So let's go, guys. Guys, let's go from here. We are going to go from here. Okay, we have some rules over here, and we are going to go on this trampoline. We have basketball, but we do not have the ball. So we are just going to play like that. Guys, we are going to take the balls and go in that ball gun. When Aisha are playing over here, we are going to go over there. So guys, you see, we put the ball in, and like they have to press the button and we go. See, the ball came over there. Both of the ball went. Scream there. We are down and like explored the down area. So guys, because we have already explored the up area, maybe yeah. Let's go down the area. So we are going to go from here. So guys, you can see this is the ground area. We have balloons and you can see. There are the balls. We have some building blocks in the climbing area. You can see we have so many fun things to do here, so I recommend you to come here. We also have the ball pit, so let's go in the ball pit. This is the ball pit, and it is not that deep, but it is good. It is not deep, it is for small kids, I guess. Let's go. We have this swing, or 3 people can sit over here, and this and here. We can also go here, it is the top, and also go here. We have to jump and go. And you see, this is the kids area. This is the piano. Kids area. You guys see? We are going to put some balls in there, this area, and the balls are going to go up. See, the balls come back from here. This is a ball machine, I guess. See, the ball is traveling. From this side. Let's go. See how they are going up in a vibration. Aisha's playing on the piano. Lishba's over there taking a go round. Aisha's picking ball over here. Alishba! We also have the cameras over here. You can see we are inside right now. Alishba jumped! Wow! Actually, Lishba is sliding. So guys, we are in the Adventura. Like, they have given names to different rides, and we have many games. I think we will also go in hop and flip and roller coasters and everything. These tall games, like these long games, we are not allowed to play because like they need safety.
Can we go inside?
Yeah, of course. I think we have gone from top to bottom right now.
Let's go inside this. I will do this slide.
some are not supposed to be. You can see there's a camera over there. You see. You can also go this one, you know, the sea slides, and this one is the most fun part. Let's go! See, Alishma and Aisha are coming from here. Aisha is pushing Alishma. Let's go up. You can see we have some rules, and you can see like the epic, it is very different from others, and this is the most unique fun station I've ever seen. At the top, we are going to use this for sliding down over here. So Aisha, how are you feeling?
Good. I will go. Okay, I will press.
We are going to another slide, so let's go. So guys, you can see the slide. This is the fast slide, so we are going to take a ride on it, so let's go.
Okay.
So guys, this is the best slide. I'm going to take a ride on it, so let's start. It was so fun. I recommend you to come in this place. We should turn it like this. Let's go.
Wait. Wait.
Yeah. It looks amazing. We are going to the top of this slide. Do you see, guys? We can see the outside over here, and there's the ball. There's like cushion pit or anything. So first, let's go here. You see this rainbow slide? It looks
I'll go
fascinating.
first. Hi. Look, I have tag on.
Let's go.
Hi. Wow, that's so colorful. That's not fast.
Some slides are fast and some are not, so it's okay. Let's go over there and explore and have fun. You can see, still we are not at the top. We are very high, but we are not at the top. Guys, we are going to that one, and that was really amazing. So come with us.
Here.
As you can see in the mirror, I'm here. We can also go here, it is the top. I'll also go here. You have to jump and go. And you see, this is the kids area. This is the piano. So guys, we have explored all the slides in the area. So let's go again and have fun. So guys, let's go in this slide and have fun. We can go also from here. I'm not going from here. You can see. We go here. Fast slide. So guys, let's go. So guys, we had a lot of fun, and now we are going back to home. So see you guys in my next vlog. Allah Hafiz.